Hi family, I am participating in the Summer Coffee and Beverage Bar Collaboration 2022 that is being hosted by A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. I will list the link for A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis and also the playlist of the other collaborators in the description box below. Stay with me. Hi family, today I have a simple but elegant tea station for you. Let me show you how I set it up. Starting with my saucers, I elevated that with a candlestick. Now if you've been with me for a while, you know I tend to use items that I have here at home on hand. That's exactly what I did. After I elevated the saucers, I then placed another saucer as a centerpiece look with a umbrella fold napkin in the center. Now, my teacups, I already placed my silverware in the center, and I think it's a great presentation. Starting with my teapot, I have my hot water in the teapot. Now, my stand for my macaroons. You've seen these candlestick holders. They're pillar candle holders. I've used those before. This time, I had a piece of glass left over from another project. I placed it on top of it to make it a serving piece, and then I placed my macaroons on top. And I love how that turned out. Now, if you're liking so far what you're seeing, just hit the like button for me, family. I then placed my tea bags on a plate, but I just want to show you what I put in the center. This is a heart in the center of a crystal napkin ring, and I actually put it in the middle just for decorative purposes, and I think it looks great. Then I did the same exact thing with my lemon plate. I also have, in the same pattern of my tea kettle, my creamer and my sugar bowl, and I can't not mention my beautiful pink and champagne damask runner. I think it sets it off. Two other little touches. I rolled my napkins and I added crystal napkin rings to them, and I also added a tea station sign to complete my tea station tablescape. Let me know, family, in the comments section your thoughts. And until next time, be blessed.